Okay, this is how quickly things can change in Thailand. Have a look. Pretty much guaranteed a fucking stunning sunset, and now we have a monsoon fastly approaching. Hello my 0 subscribers. I'm gonna miss this place. Today we are heading to one of Thailand's best beaches, Railay Beach, just off the coast of a small town called Krabi. So join us as we make our way to Railay Beach, and hopefully by this evening I'll be able to watch the sunset. We're sitting on the beach with a cold, crisp chang. Nearly forgot to leave a little message. There. Okay, great. Thank you very much. Thank you.
500 baht.
Okay, perfect.
Gooding expressway and throwaway.
Thank you very much, sir. No change? No change. Taxi driver, you no change. Hopefully you can put that tip towards some aircon.
Railay 150 baht.
Railay Beach. Okay.
One person, right?
Huh?
One person?
Yes, please. One way. Hello. Railay Beach, please.
100 baht.
Fair walk this. Fucking gonna stitch. Does help. Door's gonna come off there. Hopefully it's not windy. The aircon on. Get a wee free room tour here. Oh.
Rope, short,
Okay.
and Bella. Safe open already.
Mm-hmm.
4 number, job and 4 numbers for the open.
Perfect.
Inside for the fish, nah?
good.
This one.
Yep.
Tea, coffee, tea, every day, nah?
Hey,
TV.
been watching my videos, mate?
Keep on, nah?
Okay.
Put
Perfect.
water,
Oh, this is the.
put water up there. Stop this
The
mix
bath.
on the bottom.
Where's that water coming from? Where's that water coming? Ah, right, it's coming. But okay, very good. That'll take forever. I don't think I'm here for 3 nights. I don't think that'll fill up in time. That's good. Thank you.
Stop bubble, red one go on.
Oh, for the bubbles. Okay. Yes. Cup, cool cup.
Cup.
You forgot something. Fucking hell! Forgot to shout the most important thing. The most important thing when you're doing a room tour is open the doors and just go, I'll take it! Okay, not bad, not bad. I'll quickly do another rundown. The photos were definitely better on booking.com, but I think, what's the price this? 60 quid a night. So don't think you can argue. And 50 yards from the... Oh! Yes, all good. Thank you. Perfect, thanks. Oh, he thought I was calling after him. So he gets for not shouting in the first place. Nice bed. Look how thick that mattress is. Aircon, it's taking a while to kick in. Place to do some work. Shower with a seat. Toilet with a seat. Oh. It's a wee window. And outside to the bath. That is never gonna fill in time. Absolutely. I better having a bath in there. At least there's water in it. Yeah, not bad. All in all, including the price and what you get, I'd have to say, and location's a factor too, you're on Railay Beach, I'd have to say 7.5. So well, I will take it. It's been an hour. We're getting there though. So welcome to Railay Beach in all its glory. There's a boat going back to 09. Which is the major beach just around the corner. A lot of people come here for day trips, whether it's for sunrise or sunset or just to spend the day. And yeah, so apparently here you have the lying Indian. Apparently if you go like that, it looks as if it's an Indian lying, or sorry, sleeping Indian. Oh, it'll make a difference. So there you have it. Welcome to Railay Beach. I'm gonna go for a bite to eat now, and then probably gonna hit the hot tub if it is full, and if not, I'll just paddle in it with my feet. So yes, welcome to Railay Beach. Let's go and check this. This looks like the main street. Food. You got fucking hell if you want to buy a suit. Restaurants, bars, everything. Here you go. This could be lively at night. Actually, this has changed a lot since the 5 years I was here. A lot. In fact, I don't even think we made it this far. I think we arrived pretty late. We had about 10 minutes for a drink and had to leave. Fucking hell. It just keeps on going. Okay, there really is no end to this place. More clothes, more restaurants. Vietnamese. Hello, sir. Fresh fish. Unreal. Let's have a look and see what this guy's cooking. Oh, here we go. Good work, my man. Hello. Not a sinner. Oh, here we go. Come on. He's up for it. Thank you. This Capaldi is just being played. I'm sitting on my own, having a beer, watch the sunset. Quite romantic. Let's have a go at this. Oh wow. Oh, it's nice. Okay, this is how quickly things can change in Thailand. Have a look. Pretty much guaranteed fucking stunning sunset, and now we have a monsoon fastly approaching. You can see some of the bars have obviously put their shutters down, and the only people outside now, all the tourists have run inside. The only people outside are the locals who have just finished their shift on the boats playing football. This temperature is probably ideal for them. But yes, that will do, I think. Time for another Chang. Oh, fuck. I suppose this is what happens with monsoon season. Can't even fucking see. Right folks, that is the end of another day. We've arrived back at the villa, and let me show you the bubbles. Let me just show you, right? Don't know if you can see. That's it. Them's the bubbles. That's the bubbles we're going to get tonight. Let's go. It's not deep like. Sit down. Can't sit down the floor. That won't do there. A bit like a king. See you tomorrow. Reception. Hello, I'm just trying to figure out how you turn the lights off in my room. How do you turn the lights off in my bedroom? Ah, it's beside the bed. Okay. Sitting right fucking beside me. Couldn't figure out how to turn off the fucking lights.